Hi, welcome. This is going to be a quick tutorial, VRoid in under 5 minutes, of how you can export a hair that you've created in VRoid and share it with your friends as a preset. So you're going to go to VRoid and choose your avatar, whichever that is. I have a ton of avatars here. Then you're going to go to hair editor. You're going to make a change, okay, and then we basically will go to design and we'll say we want to save as a preset. Once we do click there, it will basically be saved as a preset. So we will go to our C drive, then our users, where we will find in AppData LocalLow, pixiv, VRoidStudio, hair presets. The newest one, which is here, will be the hair preset. These have specific numbers assigned to them by VRoid. Do not change that. So if I want to share this with someone in my server, let's say, what I would do is look in there to make sure the materials are there and the preset.json file. It is. So I'm going to zip it up, add to preset blah blah blah, and then I will see that once it's done, and there it is. For now, I will throw it on my desktop. We're gonna go to any program that you use, such as OneDrive or Google Drive or similar. You will attach it in your drive to Google Drive, and then what you will do is you'll just share that link from Google Drive. Now when you go to Drive, you'll say new file upload. You'll go to your document and your location where it is. As you can see here, it's attaching. It's very fast since these are generally small files. Once you click on this though, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on this and you're going to go to get link. When you go to get link, you want to put this to anyone with the link can view. Okay, and then you're going to copy that and you're going to place it into the location. Okay. So it's actually very easy. Then that person can then put it in their files with their LocalLow, VRoidStudio, and pixiv in their AppData. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We'll reopen VRoid so you can see. We'll pick the same model, but instead this time we're just going to import her actual hair preset. So we're going to go here and we're going to go to import from preset after we find that number which we used before. And as you can see, it changed into the one that we saved. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you like this video, please share it and or comment if you have any additional questions. I'm happy to answer. And thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this helped you.